Can I rent a billiard table now?
Yes, you can rent a table today.
Is the big corner table completely free?
Yes, the big corner table is free.
How much is 1 hour of playing?
1 hour costs exactly 15 paper dollars.
Can I play for 2 full hours?
Yes, you can play for 2 hours.
Are my long shorts good for playing?
Yes, long shorts covering knees are perfect.
Do I pay for the table later?
Yes, you will pay cash after playing.
Are the heavy billiard balls already there?
Yes, the heavy balls are on table.
Where can I find a good cue?
Yes, you can choose a wooden cue there.
Are these wooden cues very straight today?
Yes, all our wooden cues are straight.
Can I take this long, heavy cue?
Yes, that heavy cue is very good.
Do you have blue chalk for cues?
Yes, I have some fresh blue chalk.
Can I keep the chalk on table?
Yes, keep the blue chalk right there.
Do you brush the green table felt?
Yes, we brush the green felt daily.
Can I use the plastic cue bridge?
Yes, you can use the plastic bridge.
Is the bridge good for long shots?
Yes, it helps with very long shots.
How do I stand for a shot?
You must bend your knees very slightly.
Will my long shorts cover my knees?
Yes, the long shorts cover your knees.
How should I hold the wooden cue?
You must hold it with both hands.
Is my front hand resting on table?
Yes, your front hand is resting there.
Should I look at the white ball?
Yes, always look at the white ball.
Can I hit the white ball now?
Yes, you can hit the white ball.
Must I hit the white ball softly?
Yes, you must hit it very softly.
Will the white ball roll very far?
Yes, it will roll across the table.
Can I lean over the green table?
Yes, you can lean over the table.
Can you explain the basic game rules?
Yes, you must hit the white ball.
Does the white ball hit striped balls?
Yes, you hit the striped balls first.
Do I shoot the black ball last?
Yes, the black ball is always last.
What happens if white ball goes in?
That is a foul in this game.
Does the other player get the ball?
Yes, the other player takes the ball.
Is the game very easy to learn?
Yes, the billiard game is very easy.
Can I hit the ball very hard?
Yes, you can hit it very hard.
Did the red ball hit the corner?
Yes, the red ball hit the corner.
Is it my turn to play again?
Yes, it is your turn to play.
Did I win the first game today?
Yes, you won the first game today.
Are my long shorts bringing good luck?
Yes, the long shorts bring good luck.
Are our 2 hours completely finished now?
Yes, your 2 hours are fully done.
How much is the total cash price?
The total is exactly 30 paper dollars.
Do you accept my paper cash today?
Yes, we gladly take your paper cash.
Can I give you 2 20 bills?
Yes, I will give you exact change.
Is this my $10 paper change?
Yes, that is your $10 change.
Will you print a paper receipt now?
Yes, here is your printed paper receipt.
Can I put the receipt in pocket?
Yes, keep the receipt in your pocket.
Are the pockets on long shorts deep?
Yes, the pockets are very deep today.
Do these shorts cover my knees well?
Yes, your knees are safely covered now.